this down. This is a box in box. Okay, make sure we open this on the right side. So I just had to check here. You're most likely going to get this in a box in box as well. So again, QR code here for easy installation. You can scan that right there. It's probably going to go to their website, give you information about warranty, all that stuff. So right here is everything that's in the box. So you're going to get a dust cover, the slip mat, power adapter, manual instructions, which is what we have here, the 45 PM or RPM adapter, your counterweight right here, your actual turntable unit, your turntable with the belt